today I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Ferragamo I think it's Taryn, I don't know how to say it, slides. This is what the box looks like. The purpose of me doing this review is because I was trying to find like videos on this particular sandal and I couldn't find any. So hopefully if someone is looking for the same exact sandal, they'll find my review or my unboxing, and hopefully it's helpful to them when they're looking. Okay, well, like I said, this is what the box looks like. The name of the sandal, and I got a size 9. These do not come in half sizes. It's only the regular whole sizes. So that's really why I was looking for a video, so I kind of figure out the sizing. But let's just get into it. I got these from Bloomingdale's.com. They were on sale. The original price, I believe it's like $3.57. I don't know. I'll insert it someplace in the screen. But I got it for $2.25. That's how much I paid for it. So this is what they look like in the box. I'm gonna take them out. In the box, the receipt came, trying to cover, so y'all see my address. That's the price I paid. Hopefully you guys can see it. $2.25. It comes with the card, Ferragamo card. Yeah, it's like an authenticity card. I'm not gonna get into it. It'll be everything. It comes with a dust bag that says Salvatore. I believe it's Salvatore Ferragamo or Salvatore. I don't know. All I know is Ferragamo. Yeah, the standard dust bag. It has like the red drawstrings. And this is what they look like. I thought these were so cute. Some of y'all probably gonna be like, ew, this is ugly, but I thought these were just the cutest things. Now, these come in red. Of course, I got red. I believe it's like a grayish color, white, and all black. But I did see them someplace else. I can't remember. They were like pink and blue. I know my cousin or something. Yeah, my cousin, I think she has a blue pair. I don't know where she got them from. I never asked, but yeah. The plastic on it. Let me take this off. Sorry, y'all, I'm struggling. I should have been more prepared. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I got the size 9. Of course, they got the classic, I don't know what you call this, the Ferragamo buckle thing. I don't know what it's called. It has a Ferragamo there. Salvatore, of course, it's written on the back. And like I said, I got a size 9. These are like, so I tried them on yesterday. These are so soft. Like, I feel like these are perfect for everyday use or everyday wear. I mean, I don't know, maybe this particular color might not be because this is kind of bright, but I did like the red ones when I seen them. Not saying there's anything wrong with the other colors, it's just this one stood out to me, and I don't really have like a red slide sandal or whatever. So I was like, I'm going to go ahead and get it. I'm going to try them on and show y'all how it look on my feet, and then I'll tell you like how comfortable they are or whatever. Hopefully I just said, I think I just said that, but yeah, let me just try this on. Okay, y'all, this is what they look like on. Hope you guys can see it. They're very, very comfortable. They fit me perfectly, exactly where I like my foot to be on the sandal. Yeah, they're comfortable. Okay, y'all, I'm back, but I really do like these. Like, these are very comfortable. I feel like these, you could wear these every day, all day. Like, you could run errands with these, walk a long period of time in these. I just think these are so cute. I think they're perfect for summer. If you are interested in buying these sandals, I would highly recommend shopping around before just going like straight to Bloomingdale's like I did, because after I purchased them at the sale price of Bloomingdale's, I ended up seeing them someplace else. I believe it was like Zappos, a little bit cheaper. And Zappos, you get your stuff within like the next day or 2 days. With these, I had to wait a few days. So like, if you, like I was saying, if you're interested, I would kind of shop around to find like the cheapest price But if you just want them, I'll just say go wherever you find them, and if you don't mind paying the extra money, then go for it. But if you want to save a little bit of money, I suggest shopping around a bit. I do know at Bloomingdale's, another reason what took me so long to receive these is because once they went on sale, I guess everybody was like kind of buying them up, and they was put on back order for a couple of days, so I did have to wait. So I'm not sure if they're still on sale at Bloomingdale's, but I know they were on sales at Zappos, I believe Nordstrom's. I can't think of another place, but yeah. Hopefully you guys, like I said, enjoyed this unboxing slash review. These are very comfortable, and these are true to size. So if you're a person who wear like a half size, like a 9.5, I would suggest going for a 10, because like I said, these are very, very true to size, and a size 9 fits me perfectly. Like, it fits me just right. But I'm gonna go, y'all, so hopefully you, like I said, you enjoyed this review. If you find this video someplace on YouTube, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.